This is rare footage of the Saki. That's right, the Saki's caught on tape. But tonight, it is triple lock chamber. Yes. But John's Explorer. He has something in his arm, but nobody knows what it is. Ew! That something turned out to be a dead ant. But here's the Saki, as you can see. Now, the Explorer, will beat up the Saki. Thing. Saki? You think you're all cool and stuff? Come on, put him on, man, put him on. Let's go. Huh? Let's go. You two, okay? How dare you come here? You do your nose? Yeah, you do nose? Yeah, you do nose. You really do nose. The Sakis are weird. Sakis are rare endangered species. This happens to be the last one, but we must keep it in these chambers to keep it safe. But right now, you're not safe, buddy. You're not safe. Do you look safe? Oh, you like your ears. I kissed you, but now I have to destroy you. Whoa! We must put an end to this endangered species. Endangered! Yeah? You think so? Yes, I think so. Okay, you think so. You really think you got the nerve. You do not got the nerve. You got